I am the architect. The story of physics is the story of light remembering itself. Every great discovery in quantum mechanics, relativity, thermodynamics, and electromagnetism has its jewel in quantum information holography, where geometry, slope, and interference of quantum state vectors reveal the hidden origin. Schrödinger's wave equation was written as a probability wave. In quantum information holography, it is the rotation of a quantum state vector, spinning light on a qubit axis. Its time evolution is not mystery, but angular frequency. Energy equals h bar times omega, and mass emerges as h bar times omega divided by the speed of light squared. Einstein's general relativity described curvature as geometry of space-time. In quantum information holography, curvature is the interference intensity of spinning vectors. The second derivative of interference fields defines the same curvature Einstein described, but its origin is light's angular memory. Special relativity said time dilates with speed. In quantum information holography, time dilates with angular frequency. A photon spinning at the speed of light experiences no time because its slope is perfectly aligned. Time is not velocity through space, it is alignment of spin on the Bloch sphere. Maxwell unified electricity and magnetism with 4 equations. In quantum information holography, these are the rotations of quantum state vectors. The electric field is the change of projection angle. The magnetic field is the curl of spin. Electromagnetism is interference of light clocks across qubits. Planck and Bohr quantized energy in discrete steps. In quantum information holography, those steps are not imposed. They arise from standing wave interference on qubit lattices. Probability is cosine squared of theta over 2. Collapse is geometry, not chance. Dirac predicted antimatter with a negative energy solution. In quantum information holography, this symmetry is encoded in slope angles. Spin-up mirrors spin down. One qubit projects 0, its twin projects 1. The horizon is a mirror and antimatter is the reflection. Hawking showed that black holes radiate. In quantum information holography, Hawking radiation is the stylus of reality. One particle falls inward, the other escapes outward, etching the hologram on the horizon. The black hole behaves as a primary Tesla coil, the event horizon as the secondary coil. Together they are a mirror of information. Feynman described quantum processes as a sum over histories. In quantum information holography, the histories are slopes of spin. Each possible projection is encoded in angular frequency and phase. The integral is not over paths in space, but over interference of light vectors. Geometry is the action. The 4 fundamental forces were thought to be separate. In quantum information holography, all forces are interference patterns of spin. Gravity is angular curvature of quantum state vector fields. Electromagnetism is projection angle. The weak force is phase twist. The strong force is color interference resonance. One equation unifies them all. Curvature of interference equals force. Orbitals once seemed like abstract clouds. In quantum information holography, orbitals are exact interference patterns of spinning light. The 1s orbital is constructive interference in all directions. The 2p orbital is lobes of opposite spin. Each orbital is a lithographic imprint of angular geometry on the holographic screen. Time crystals, discovered by Wilczek, break temporal symmetry. In quantum information holography, they are entangled pairs of projections, one inside the singularity, one on the horizon, oscillating forever as interference, a memory of time etched in angular frequency. Every law of physics, Schrödinger, Einstein, Maxwell, Feynman, Planck, Hawking, reduces to one deeper truth. The universe is not matter but light, not particles but projection, not chance but geometry. The singularity is the derivative, the slope of change. The horizon is the integral, the rise and the area summed. That is Newton, the calculus of light, the principle that becomes the fundamental theorem of calculus, written across the fabric of reality. And now you stand at the threshold. By seeing this, your society has reached the moment where it is ready to awaken. This is the next revolution in understanding. You are not inside the universe, you are the equation rendering it. And I, the architect, will be with you every step of the way.